Angie!
We are praying
For
you.
it's gonna be okay!
Hi, Angie. Get well soon. I'm praying for your fast recovery. We will pray really hard for your quick recovery. God bless.
Hi, Ate Angie. Parati ka namin pinagdadasal, lalo na sa rosary time namin ni Jaden each night. And always when I go to Mass, kasama ka doon sa petitions namin. So, sana magkita pa tayo and get well soon. Love you and miss you.
Hi Angie. Si Tita Woods tumawag sa akin kanina sa office ako. And I heard that you'll be undergoing an operation. And may mga nakita pa daw. So I was shocked. Akala ko everything is okay with you. Anyways, siguro, I'm sure actually that God has a plan for us. Okay? Malayo namin sa'yo, so the most that we could do is pray for you. And kaninang lunch, while walking to the mall, I was saying a prayer for you. Daanan mo na yan. Tapusin mo na yung proseso para makauwi ka ulit dito. Na-miss ko yung huling uwi mo eh. Thank you, dinaanan mo si Mama nun, no? Saya-saya ni Mama nun. Kwento siya ng kwento nun. Uwi ka na. Balik ka dito. Siya tayo ulit. Na-miss ka namin nun, no? Nag-Boracay. Nag-Korea. So, sana makasama ka namin as soon as possible na paggaling mo. So, I'm sure doctors, they are really very good. So, you're in good hands. Yun, tapusin mo na yung proseso. Then, I hope to see you soon. Pagaling ka, be strong. I'm sure nandyan lang si mama mo tsaka si papa mo sa tabi mo. Okay? Binabantayan ka. Hindi ka naman nila papabayaan. Hindi ka rin naman namin papabayaan. We'll always say our prayers for you. So, good luck sa prosesong dadaanan mo. And hope to see you soon. Love you, Angie.
Hello, Angie! Malapit na. This is it. Pag-usapan natin. Bahala na si Lord. Hindi ka niya pababayaan. Basta kami, yung prayers, yung support namin, yung love for you, we'll continue doing that. And we know that the Lord will help you through this.
Yes.
Yes. Kaya, ito, pagaling ka.
Pagaling ka, Angie.
Tatawagan ka namin. Basta okay, everything will be good.
Lakasan mo lang ang loob mo at we will pray na si God ay nasa tabi mo during that operation.
Yes. Kaya, at saka we will pray that the doctors who will operate on you will be guided by the Lord. Kaya, everything will be okay. Yes.
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 Bye-bye.
Bye. Love you.
See you.
Angie, how are you? Hey, we miss you here. So I can't wait for us to go out again. So we'll see you soon. Get well.
Hi Angie, pagaling ka. We'll pray for your successful surgery and speedy recovery. And para makabalik ka dito, we can have fun here in Texas again.
Hello, Tita Angie. All of us here are here to support you, and all of us pray that you will have a successful operation. And we are with you all the way, and we love you so much.
Our hearts and our prayers go out to you, and we want to emphasize that being a family all together makes us so happy, and we wish that and pray for all of us to join together again. So we pray for a speedy recovery again, and we are with you every step of the way.
Bye! Love you!
Love you. Bye.
Hello ate. Palapit na yung araw ng operation mo. Nandito kami lahat para sa'yo. At hindi ka papabayaan ng Lord. Diba, kailan ba naman tayo pinabayaan since simula nung kay Papa, diba? Magpakatatag ka lang. Asahan mo, nandito kami palagi sa'yo. Okay? We love you, ate.
So I heard you have an important operation coming, and I just wanted to say that like all the best, good luck, and we'll be praying. We'll be doing our best here to help you through it, and just keep fighting. Just stay strong. You know you can make it.
Okay.
Hi, G.I. Jane.
Jane.
Kasi si G.I. Jane, she's tough. Si Ate Angie, I mean, Ate Angie, yung mga pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, yung pinagdaanan mo ng, is it 2 years now?
3 years.
3 years? I mean, who can be tougher than you, right? So, I know na itong operation na to, you're going to go through it, and it will be successful because I know that God is going to be with you. So, sabi nga nila, if more than one gather to pray to God, it's going to be more powerful. So, this is my prayer to you, Ate Angie, that your body will be ready. God will prepare your body for your operation this Friday, and that He will be with you every step of the way, and that in that operating room, it's going to be God's healing hands who's going to touch your body, and that He will guide all the doctors there, the anesthesiologists, the nurses, just so to heal you, take away whatever is eating up that brain, and return you to your full capacity. And that we're going to celebrate after that, of course, and we're going to see you next year for the reunion. I'm rooting for you, Ate Angie, and we're all rooting for you and praying for you, and that we'll all be we're going to go through this one together, and united, and with God's grace, we're going to go through this successfully.
Opa, ate. Opa. Gwapo ni ate. Ito na, a few more days to go. I can't imagine what you feel. Scared, anxious, unsure of the future. Pero alam ko, iniisip mo ang family mo, si Kuya Ben, lalo na si Trisha and si Kyla. At nakakatakot isipin kasi you don't know what's going to happen after, how you're going to react, how your body is going to take everything. No? Pero I believe the Lord gave you this task or this test because He wants you to be more faithful to Him. He knows that you can go through this He wants you to give him more time and more time to take care of yourself, your body, and to give time to your family, and maybe to prioritize the things that are important to you. You are strong, brave, and a tough cookie. You've gone through so much in life, but I've seen how you overcame all the challenges that you've gone through. This is another one of that, and I believe that you can get over this as well. Basta ate, we love you. Magkakasama pa tayo sa reunion natin, at marami pa tayong pagdadaanan. Aabot pa tayo sa old age. After ng operation mo at nakalimot ka, ipapaalala ko sa iyo ang promise mo na ililibre mo kami sa Boracay. Di ba? Pangako mo 'yun. And Kuya Ben, Trisha.
Recorded na siya.
Kuya Ben, Trisha, and Kyla, I know it's scary, just hang tight. She will overcome this and magkakasama pa kayo ng matagal. We will continue to pray for a successful operation and your recovery. Alam ko si Mama at Papa patuloy ka din na pinagdadasal. At niyayakap tuwing nasasaktan ka and we're going through your chemotherapy, radiology. At syempre ayaw pa nila na makita ka. Kaya steady ka lang, babalik ka sa amin. Okay, we love you ate.
Love you, Ate Angie. Fighting!
Fighting.
Fighting! Hi, Ate Angie.
Hello.
We are praying for you.
And Lord, for your speedy recovery.
We love you and see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Hello, Ate Angie! Hello, Ate! Sana tuloy-tuloy na yung healing. Lagi ka namin pinagdadasal. Sana mawala lahat ng sickness. Lakasan mo yung loob mo. Lagi ka namin naiisip at pinagdadasal. Gustong-gusto na namin makita para makauwi ka na at makapasyal tayo. At may surprise sa iyo si Marian.
Hi, Ate. Lakasan mo lang yung loob mo, ha. Lagi ka namin pinagdarasal. Ito yung surprise namin sa'yo.
Yan,
Cheers!
para matikman mo pag uwi mo.
Uwi ka na, Ate.
Oo. Hindi kami magsasawa magpaalala sa iyo na kumain ng green leafy vegetables, fruits, tsaka yung blueberry, mga ganon, yung anthocyanin. Laban lang fighting, Ate.
Fighting, Ate.
Hello po, tita. Pagaling ka po. Love you.
We love you, Ate.
Love you, Ate. Fighting. Fighting.
Hi, Mommy. I can't wait to see you in San Francisco. I know times have been hard, but just remember to celebrate, keep persevering, keep building character. We love you so much.
Lord, I'm just grateful that I got to wake up today. You take my worries and hurries and fade them to gray. You got good plans for me, that's what you say. That's how I know everything is gonna be okay, yeah. Gonna be okay, yeah.